Mackerel and spinach. Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. Today we're gonna make some mackerel and spinach. First you're gonna dice a half an onion. And then you're gonna dice up 2 tomatoes. Oh yeah, I know some of you guys haven't subscribed, so click on that subscribe button. For the mackerel, I'm gonna use about 250 grams of mackerel fillet. You can also just buy the mackerel fish, the mackerel self, and debone it. Too much work right now, so I'm just gonna go with the fillet. I'm removing the skin. Then you're gonna add some oil. Fry up your onions. I add 2 garlic cloves. You can also chop your onions and garlic together in a chopper. Leave it fry. Add a bit of salt. Make sure to add some salt to your liking. You can also add the salt after. Add a little black pepper. And then you're gonna add the mackerel and leave it fry for about 2 minutes. So mackerel tend to have a salty taste, so you want to make sure to taste it before adding the salt. Pepper is also optional. You can add a pepper before frying the mackerel or during. Then we're gonna add the tomatoes and then 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I like a little sweetness in my mackerel. And then you're gonna leave it fry, cover it up, and leave it cook for 5 minutes on low fire. The mackerel is a bit saucy and delicious to eat with white rice. Now for our sauteed spinach, I'm just gonna fry some garlic. And then add 250 grams of washed and chopped spinach. Add a bit of salt and black pepper. The salt also should be to your liking. And I like to add a little butter for the creaminess. Mix it, stir it, and cover it. And let it cook for also 5 minutes. While that's cooking, make sure your rice is almost done. And this is how it should look. At least this is how I like my spinach. And there you have it. A delicious white rice, mackerel, and spinach. Healthy and flavorful. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and see you on the next video. Bye.